FERROGRATE is a fast-growing globally recognized brand, known popularly for manufacturing gratings and fabricated steel products. The company has grown remarkably well since its establishment in 2002, by addressing its customers' needs strategically and innovatively. Having offices across 7 different countries, FERROGRATE's extensive sales network provides on-time support to its customers. FERROGRATE produces over 30,000 tons of steel gratings and 250,000 square meters of FRP gratings each year. We also stock standard grating panels with different mesh sizes for immediate deliveries. With over 500 employees under its wing, FERROGRATE positioned itself as Asia's largest grating manufacturer by erecting factories in multiple locations. Today, FERROGRATE's products are exported to over 35 different countries. The company's top line is projected to reach $70 million this financial year. FERROGRATE is an ISO and CE certified company. It is also approved by major oil and gas and EPC companies present worldwide. Having our own hot-dip galvanizing unit enables us to deliver the materials quicker as per site requirements. Our in-house testing facility assures that the quality of our product adheres strictly to American and European standards. With a vision to provide one-stop solution to its customers, FERROGRATE is actively involved in redefining strategies to improve its services and exploring untapped sectors for developing new verticals.